It's that time, friends. We're going to play 12 Days of Christmas on the ukulele in the key of F. I'm Kalani. This is part of the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, and this is the bonus track. If you've learned all the other 12, or even if you haven't, we're going to do this one. The 13th song. So get your ukulele, make sure you're tuned up. We're going to play in the key of F. You'll need F, C7, B flat, and G7. And that's it. Other than that, let's go. This is a fun style I made for you guys. I hope you like this. And you can get the track and the PDF. I'll tell you how in a minute. 2-bar intro, and then we're into it. And I got to flip pages and everything, so wish me luck. And I hope you enjoy this. Here we go. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 lords a-leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a-leap, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a-leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings. Let's go. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Oh my God. My My neighbor's dog likes it. All right, how'd you guys do? Did you hang in there? I think I had fun. I was hanging on by the seat of my pants. Hope you enjoy this track. Download the MP3, get the PDF, and if you want to participate in the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, you can do that by clicking the link below. You can get the song sheets and all the audio at patreon.com/Kalani, and you can see some other lessons over there for free while you're there. Make sure to subscribe before you click away, and as always, I really appreciate your support and involvement, and I appreciate you learning and playing the ukulele, not just for yourself, but for others. You know that's my message, is to support the musicians that go out there and bring joy and happiness and comfort to the people, to all the people. So go do that, and if you have any helpful tips or comments, you can leave them below. I'm also going to do a tutorial on how to practice and play 12 Days of Christmas, so that link is also below, as are all the other songs and all the other lessons for all of the Ukulele Holiday Challenge songs and lots of other stuff here on the Ukulele Club channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Go out and make some great music. I'll see you soon.